Hi, my name is Paige, and today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Outlook. For these tutorials, we'll be using the free version of Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, which can be found inside your application. Managing emails can feel overwhelming, but Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Outlook makes it simple. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to draft emails, summarize threads, and even translate messages, all with Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. First up, drafting and replying. Click on the Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat icon in Outlook. It's usually on the right-hand sidebar. If you're starting a new email, open the new mail and type what you want the email to be about. In this case, draft a professional email to confirm the meeting for Friday. Keep it formal and concise. Hit send, and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will generate a polished draft. Once you've reviewed it and you're happy, copy it, paste it, and make the necessary edits. Once you are happy with it, hit send. And that's all to it, really. Replying is just as easy. Open the email thread, click on your Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, and type something like, write a friendly response thanking them for the update and confirming the next steps. Hit send, and Microsoft 365 gives you a ready-to-use reply. Again, read through it, and if you're happy, select it, copy it, paste it, make the necessary edits, and you're done. Next, let's tackle those long email threads. Find the name of the thread conversation and paste it into Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat. Here, you'll need the title of your email chain and the instruction. For example, give a concise summary of the email thread's sustainable item. Hit send, and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will give you a neat summary and a task list. Copy the tasks into Microsoft To Do or your planner. Finally, translations. If you've received an email in another language, copy the email, paste it into Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat, and add the instruction to change it into the language that you need. For example, translate this into English. Hit send, and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will translate the email for you into the language you have requested. If you need to translate an email you're sending, copy it and paste it into Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat with the instruction of the language that you need it to be translated into. For example, please translate this into Zulu. Hit send, and Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat will translate it for you. If you are happy, copy it and paste it into your email, making the necessary changes. When you're happy, hit send, and you're done. In just a few clicks, you've drafted emails, summarized threads, and handled translations, all without breaking a sweat. Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat turns email chaos into clarity. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial on how to use Microsoft 365 Copilot Chat in Outlook.